Subat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really special video to show you guys, and this is how to make a leather face mask to match my outfit. And that's why I chose this background with red hat and this shirt, because I want to make a really special mask that go with this outfit. And I would like to say something about the situation right now is the epidemic of the world, COVID-19. I know it's really sensitive topic to talk about here, and I would like to let you guys know that I'm doing fine and my family doing fine. So I would like to tell you, please wash your hand, practice social distances, and if you can, avoid crowded places. And again, the important parts, please wash your hand often, really, like just wash it all the time. Look at my hand, it's so dry because I wash it all the time. But I just want to wish you guys all the best. I want to wish everybody safe, not get that disease, and get through it together. So no further ado, just go to the video, eh? thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a like if you think this helpful in any way, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, bye.